Hey guys, it's Mrs. LeMay and welcome back for another video. All right, let's start with number 1, reviewing our phonics skill. Okay, our phonics skill is skill 10, which is closed syllable words. But first of all, we need to remember what our vowels are. A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. Okay, and it's very important with skill 10 that we know that our vowels make the short vowel sound. Okay, what is our short vowel sounds? Apple. Edge, itch, octopus, up. Okay, those are all of our short vowel sounds, and those are what we need to remember when we are sounding out closed syllable words. All right, guys, let's move on. Okay, I have a new sentence for you here. I know that Jim will want to help me set the table. He is a very blank person. Okay, I know that Jim will want to help me set the table. He is a very blank person. Okay, let's look at this word. You will need a whiteboard marker and eraser. Go, pause the video if you need to. Okay, I'm going to have you write this word on your board. It is SWIPMUDSEN. Make sure you have it spelled correctly. Okay, this is a big word that we don't know. We don't know it because it's a fake word. Okay, first thing we need to do is just guess, right? Oh, it definitely says Simpson. No, first thing we do is find the vowels. Our days of guessing are over. No more guessing. Okay, find the vowels. Underline them. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Okay, we have 3 vowels, and they're pretty decently spaced apart, so that means how many syllables do we have? Most likely 3. We most likely have 3 syllables. So Simpson wouldn't even work anyway. It's only 2 syllables. Okay, now that we have our vowels, well, let's start with our first 2 vowels. Okay, and let's look at the letters in between them. There are 2 consonants in between them, so we most likely divide right between those consonants. Okay, then let's look at these 2 vowels. There are 2 consonants in between them, so we most likely divide right between those 2 consonants. And there you have it. We have 1, 2, 3 syllables. So we know it's going to sound like that. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. Okay, there is a P after the I, so it is closed. What's the sound of my vowel? I. What's my syllable? Swip. Swip. Okay, let's go on to our second syllable. It is closed. Mud. Okay, third one. It is closed. Sen. Whole word. Swip, mud, sen. Swip, mudson. Okay, so now that we know how to pronounce our word, let's go back to our sentence. Okay, I know that Jim will want to help me set the table. He is a very Swipmudson person. Okay. Someone that would want to help set the table is a very Swipmudson person. I would like you to write one synonym, one word that means the same as Swipmudson. Okay. Remember, it does not have to be the same as somebody sitting next to you, as long as they are all synonyms. Okay, so if it's somebody that wants to help set the table, it might be a helpful person. It might be a kind person. Might be a willing person. Okay, as long as it's somewhere along those lines, great. Okay, so we're using our phonics skills to figure out words we don't know how to say them, but also using our context clues to figure out what they mean in our text. Awesome. Okay, let's keep going. Our fluency practice. This one is the same as last time. Okay. Bro, 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 bet bro, 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 bet, bro, Bet, bro, bet. Okay, I would like you to say this fluency practice to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to say it to you. Pause the video, please. All right. Our vocab word of, oh, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Okay, our vocab word of the week is trans. Okay, remember trans means across and beyond. Across and beyond. Show somebody next to you what trans means. Across and beyond. Okay, I'm going to have you read these 6 words to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read them to you. Pause the video. And last but not least, don't forget to let me know if you find a word that has trans in one of your texts. It doesn't matter which class. If you don't know what it means, like if you found a word and maybe you figured out how to say it, but you still don't know what it means, just bring it to me. Show me. We'll figure it out. Okay? And then you'll be entered in a drawing to win a prize. All right, have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.